So this is what we do. Instead of eat the food, we stack the food. Say stack. Stacking. Stacking. Eat. You gotta eat it. Don't stack it. Yay. Say yay. Let's bring you in focus, sweetie. That's pretty funny. Uh-oh. Fix the smileys. One, two, three. Let's stack them. Want me to help you? All right, let's make a mountain out of these things. Yay! Look at that! Yay! Gotta eat it now. Gotta eat. Gotta eat. Eat. Come on, let's eat. Let's try it. It's yummy. Take a bite. Oh, try to wipe it away. I see you. Good girl, you ate it. Oh, look at that stack of potatoes. Oh, sleepy times. Sleepy time. Uh-oh. Okay, everybody. I hope you enjoyed watching me play with my food. Yay. Stack them up. Yay. Say bye-bye. Good night.